Looking for a wireless keyboard and mouse combo that won't break the bank? The Red Dragon S101 PKS aims to deliver gaming features at an affordable price. But does it hit the mark? This combo offers flexible connection options. You get wired mode, Bluetooth, and 2.4G wireless via a single dongle. This versatility is great for switching between devices or setups. The keyboard boasts full RGB backlighting with multiple patterns. It includes 10 dedicated multimedia keys for quick control. It's also splash resistant and comes with a detachable USB-C cable. The included mouse features adjustable DPI up to 4800. It also has RGB lighting and programmable buttons via software. This offers customization for different tasks or games. While the look and value are often praised, user reviews mention potential issues. Some report mouse lag and occasional connection drops. The software can also be tricky to find and use. For budget-conscious gamers, students, or office work, needing wireless freedom and RGB flair, it's an option. Just weigh the attractive price and features against reported connectivity inconsistencies. Consider the Red Dragon S101 PKS if budget and wireless are key. Check out user reviews and decide if the potential connectivity issues are a deal breaker for your needs. Available on Amazon.